We're gonna try that. Sure. Okay, this is officially my little guinea pig. His name is Bryson. Say hi.
Hi.
Okay, guess what I got today at the Dollar Tree?
What? What is that?
Crayola brand fruit snacks.
Is that snacks?
Yeah.
For me?
Yeah.
Like
Open that up. Let's see if it's any good. You'll have to tell me if it's any good.
I don't think so.
Well, we don't know. Here, try to open it.
Try. I
Here,
can't.
open it right here from the side.
It's strong.
It's okay. It's good. It means it's sealed.
What sealed mean?
Sealed means protected and safe.
What's that?
And nobody can get in it and put their little dirty fingers in it. Oh, that's so cute. Okay, you open it. Tell everybody how old you are. You can't eat them now. Yeah, eat another one. Don't eat them off the floor. You crazy? No.
No, I'm loving on them.
No, that's nasty. Here.
No, I'm loving on them.
Baby, no. Here.
No, I'm loving on them.
Yeah, that's nasty. Here. Come on. You ate them off the floor. Oh, what are you doing? It's nasty. Are they any good? You like them?
Mm-hmm.
2 thumbs up or 1 thumbs up? 2 thumbs up? Whoa, looks like we got a winner. Give me a smile. Look at me.